Guys, now we are going to solve this nice algebraic problem. X squared times 2 minus x whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus x whole squared. We had to find out the value of x. So this term can be written as x times 2 minus x the whole squared. That is, using the formula a squared b squared can be written as ab the whole squared. So we can write this is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus x the whole squared. Again, you have to take x inside. So 2x minus x squared, the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 minus x the whole squared. Okay, now we just take 1 minus outside because we take this square term to first. So this term can be written as, here you have to take 1 minus outside, then this becomes 2x minus x squared becomes x squared minus 2x the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times, here also we write this to be taking 1 minus outside, you can write this to be x minus 1 the whole square. Here minus squared becomes positive. So you have x squared minus 2x the whole squared. This is minus 1 the whole square times this, and this is positive, so we leave it, which is equal to 1 plus 2 times, here also minus 1 the whole square times x minus 1 the whole square, but minus 1 the whole square is positive, so we leave it. We are not cancelling this, it just positive square is plus 1, so just we write it, that's it. Okay, now after that we have to complete the square of this term. So this we just add and subtract, x squared minus 2x is there, plus 1 minus 1 we do it, is equal to 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 the whole square. So here you can write this to be x squared minus 2x plus you can write this to be 1 squared. So x, here minus is there, so x minus 1 the whole square you can write it x squared minus 2x plus 1, and again this minus 1 you have the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 the whole square. Now what we have to do is you just apply a minus b the whole square formula here. So what is the value we have? We have the term is here x minus 1 the whole squared minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 the whole squared. This we have to apply a minus b the whole squared formula. So a minus, what is a minus b the whole squared formula? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we just apply this formula here. A here is this and b is equal to this one. So x minus 1 the whole squared minus 2 times x minus 1 the whole squared times 1 plus 1 squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 the whole squared. Or you can write this to be x minus 1 the whole to the power 4 minus 2 times x minus 1 the whole squared, and here you can take this also here plus 1 minus 2 times x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to yeah, you can take this also here, minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now x minus 1 the whole squared minus 2 times this term and minus 2 times this is minus 4 times x minus 1 the whole squared, and plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, this value is equal to 0. Here you have 4, sorry, x minus 1 whole to the power 4. And what is common here? X minus 1 the whole square is, you can take it outside. So after taking this term, here left out term is x minus 1 the whole squared minus 4 is equal to 0. This is taken outside. Our product of two terms is equal to 0 implies at least one term should be 0. So x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. or x minus 1 the whole square minus 4 is equal to 0. So from this we have x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to, you take this 4 here. So from this x minus 1 the whole squared is x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1, and from this we have x minus 1 taking square root on both sides, x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, or you have x is equal to 1, or we have x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2, or x minus 1 is equal to plus 2 and x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So from this x is equal to 2 plus you take this 1 this side, and here you have minus 2 plus 1, or x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. So the possible solutions for x are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. We just check our answer for this problem whether this result matches or not. So here our problem is x squared times 2 minus x the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus x the whole squared. Our solutions we obtained for x are 1 here, 1 minus 1 and 3. So we get the solutions 1 minus 1 and 3. So when you're substituting x is equal to 1 here, our problem becomes 1 squared times 2 minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so here we have 1 squared and this becomes 1 squared is 1, 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is correct answer. Next one is x is equal to minus 1. So when you're substituting x is equal to minus 1 here, minus 1 the whole squared and 2 minus of minus 1 it becomes plus 1 the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus of x is equal to minus 1. So minus minus it becomes plus 1 the whole squared. Or minus 1 the whole squared is 1 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 and 1 plus 2 times 2 squared. So 3 squared is 9 is equal to 1 plus 2 times 2 squared is 4, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. And next one is x is equal to 3. When you're substituting x is equal to 3 here, 3 squared, here we have to substitute x is equal to 3. So 3 squared times 2 minus 3 the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 3 the whole squared. 3 squared is 9 times minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times minus 2 the whole squared. Or you have this is positive. So 9 is equal to 1 plus 2 times this is positive 4. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So our answer for the given problem are x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.